In this video, we're going to show you how to set up and install the LeakSMART Snap Valve Controller. If you haven't yet paired all the LeakSMART devices with the LeakSMART app, please do that now. Then install the valve controller. For instructions on how to set up and pair the LeakSMART system, go to leaksmart.com/support. You can easily set up the LeakSMART Snap, as everything you need to install it is in the box. First, you check that your water main valve will work with the LeakSMART Snap. Next, install the LeakSMART Snap. Then, test it with the app. To begin installing your LeakSMART Snap, locate the main incoming water supply valve. The LeakSMART Snap can only be used indoors. If your main incoming water supply is located outside, we recommend installing the LeakSMART cut-in valve. Visit leaksmart.com/products to learn more. After finding the main incoming water supply, determine if you have a ball, gate, or globe valve. In this video, we will install the LeakSMART Snap on a ball valve. To determine if the LeakSMART Snap is compatible with the ball valve, you will first need to check the size of the supply pipe. The LeakSMART Snap can only be installed on a 3/4 or 1-inch pipe. Make sure the ball valve is functional and that you can completely shut it off by hand without tools. Once you've manually turned the valve off, open the nearest faucet to assure that the valve did turn the water off. If it did not, you will need to replace the valve prior to installing the snap. Then, turn the valve to the open position. You will need to make sure there are 5 inches of clearance opposite the handle. Installation requires 5 inches of straight pipe with no obstructions or bends on the opposite side of the open position for the snap clamping mechanism. You can install the LeakSMART Snap vertically or horizontally, but not upside down. A ball valve adapter comes with the snap kit. The ball valve adapter can fit a small or large handle. Make sure the adapter has a snug fit. Now place the adapter on the LeakSMART Snap drive shaft. Make sure the spring clip sits in the notch on the shaft. You may have to apply light pressure and push the adapter up or down. Next, lift the release lever and pull down on the U-bracket to remove it from the LeakSMART Snap. Simply place it on top of the valve. While applying pressure to the spring-loaded shaft, use the T-handle to adjust the leveling block until the LeakSMART Snap is level with the pipe. Once everything is level and the adapter is in place over the center of the valve, push the U-bracket together to tighten it all up. Then, hand tighten the T-handle crank until the LeakSMART Snap is firmly clamped to the supply pipe. Now you're ready to plug the AC power cord into the nearest 110-volt outlet. Next, you need to calibrate the LeakSMART Snap so the system can learn how much torque it needs to shut off the water in the event of a leak. To calibrate, hold down the open and close buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. Once you release the open and close buttons, all the LED lights on top of the LeakSMART Snap should illuminate for a couple of seconds. The calibration cycle includes approximately 3 full valve movements consisting of open and close cycles. Stay close and make sure the valve is turning and calibration is occurring. Once the calibration is complete, the buttons on top of the LeakSMART Snap will flash a steady green. To complete the installation process, you insert the 4 AA batteries that back up the LeakSMART Snap in case the home's power goes out. Simply remove the battery door and insert the batteries. And that's it. You're set up and ready to control the LeakSMART Snap through the LeakSMART app. Now let's trigger a leak to see the LeakSMART system in action. Take one of the sensors and place it on a damp cloth. Make sure the metal nodes on the bottom of the sensor are in contact with the damp cloth. Once the leak is triggered, the sensor beeps, indicating a leak has occurred. You will receive notifications through your app and SMS that your sensor has detected a leak and your valve has been closed. Your sensor will beep until the leak has been fixed. To fix the test leak, remove the sensor from the damp cloth and dry the sensor nodes. After you've resolved the leak, open the valve by pressing the open button on the top of the LeakSMART valve. You can, of course, open the valve via the app, but we recommend that you first do so via the device itself to see how it's done. The LeakSMART Snap is now installed, operating, and ready to protect the home 24/7.